Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Welcome to the Mr. M channel.
I've done my intro in a while, so welcome everybody to an episode. I can't remember my intro. Anyway, we're playing Luigi's Mansion today. We are the Mario Muffin Adventures, except we had another person here, except they didn't show up in time, sadly. No! Oh no! I almost closed the team. No! No! I hit close. No. What am I? One of my.
With anyone, Mr. M.
Okay. Are we ready?
We do.
Which is it's us two. Now let's see if I can.
Is it with anyone?
Oh,
It doesn't look it.
No one else is here. One is
well,
blue Luigi.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, folks.
Also don't know how to play, so.
We hopping up in here, killing some ghosts. Hopefully it's the money. I like the money. If it just says get money, then I could do that.
Yeah.
I could get money.
I could run around like a halfway.
Here we go.
Yay!
Hear the music to me strings.
One, capture the ghost. This is not money.
Time.
Where am I? How do I come out?
Yeah, there you are. Okay, so this is Mr. M, the green man.
We run out of time. Let's suck everything up.
No one's in here.
Come here, you.
I'm going in here.
I'm gonna suck you up. Come here.
Wait, me.
Look up! Wow, we're in the bathroom now. Ah, come here, you ghost! Come here, you ghost! I got it! Chicken ghost!
I got it!
Kill it! I had it for a second. I got it! Oh, this is very confusing. I had it for a second. Come here, you ghost!
There's another one!
Oh, that did I have it?
I got toilet paper.
You've got it! I found it!
Come here, you ghost. There we go.
Oh, it's my turn. It's my turn.
I suck.
Where'd he go?
Just broke
There
his
he
foot.
is. Get him! Fuck him up! I got him!
Slam him.
Oh, he's dead.
Yeah, we got him.
Congratulations.
Let's go out here.
Okay, here we go.
Got some money.
Oh, there's a ghost in here.
No, there isn't. Don't
Mario,
you?
there's a lie.
There's a lie.
It's a little bit scary. Oh, he's in the closet. He's in the
closet.
I
got him.
Actually, you got me. I wonder why I wasn't.
I'm helping.
Yeah. All right, let's go in another door. Oh, stinking ghost.
Oh, look, another one. It's cleaning.
No cleaning. No one cleans.
Oh, fuck. There's more.
No. And I tell you what.
Oh.
Yeah, we cleared a room. Let's get out, guys.
Oh, go through this, Luigi.
Oh, that's right, Luigi.
Look at this. Luigi's going. Oh, look, money.
Chest.
At one, it's Gooigi, not Gooigi. Gooigi.
Okay, we're out of here.
Suck up all that money. Okay.
This way.
We have 2 minutes.
This
About
way?
3 minutes.
And there are,
Chicken rat! Come back!
and there are
Okay,
20
let's try this.
levels.
Oh, this is that thing that does something, but I forgot.
We're not yet.
Yeah, not yet.
Whoa, what is this?
Oh, what? Oops.
It's gone now.
Go through the door, one. Come on.
Oh, I got money. What do you guys get?
Nothing. We're in the broom closet. Let's go to this one. Have we been here
Yes,
before?
we did.
Oh, crap.
Okay, let's go back this way. Is this a door?
Yeah, that is definitely a door.
It's not a
Oh,
door!
no, okay, alright.
Save me!
Now, how does one save me?
Thank you, thank
Oh, wait,
you!
where's that? The thing,
Yeah,
right?
it's white. Big
Alright, I'm
something.
getting it.
Someone save me! Come on, guys, let's do it.
There, okay, I'm
Come
back
here!
in.
Come here! Thank you.
Money!
That's the shot, we gotta hurry.
Run!
We have 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes.
I'm coming! Wait for Luigi!
Okay.
Please, cat.
Is
Nice.
there a ghost down here? Hello?
Money.
There's money.
It's not what we need. Oh yeah, we have a map.
Hold on.
Was that the map?
Oh.
This Grim found a ghost thing.
It did nothing, Brad.
Wait, is there another boo at the end of that?
I didn't know. I don't think so.
We got 7 of 24 ghosts.
We need more people.
We just need to like go in rooms and fight this stuff. Alright, here we go. There's a ghost
Oh,
here.
we got a ghost, Mr. M.
I'm stuck. Hold on,
We actually found.
I forgot my controls for a minute. Hold on.
Grab his
Oh,
butt.
wait.
Grab his butt.
Luigi. I need Luigi.
Brad,
Okay, exactly. What is this ghost doing?
You click in a stick, Mr. M.
Oh, I forgot. I
Ghost
have.
stuck in the wall. It won't come out. Come here.
Come here. Come on.
Come out of the wall.
Oh, shame my.
You guys do your thing. I'm gonna explore.
It's your.
Yeah, come on. Of
Ah! Okay, grab it.
Yeah, you.
Grab it. I got one. Oh! You!
No!
Oh!
Yeah, that's right. It's synchronized.
We only have 30 seconds.
Yeah, alright, that's okay. That's normal. This is normal. It's completely normal.
Oh, this ghost in
Wait
here.
2 seconds. Get the ghost. Where are they? Look at them jumping on the bed.
Ah!
Come here, you ghost. Come here, you ghost. Boop.
Ah!
I'm getting money.
I have a problem. I don't know if you're gonna make it.
Okay, we have a little more
35
time.
seconds.
Good.
Go.
Go up. That's a closet. That's what's this? Is this real? There's a room. Oh, the ghost in this room. It's cleaning. Oh, Bo!
Come here, let me give me one of these ghosts.
Quick, Mr. M, spread out.
Ah!
I'm trying.
You going, you ghost?
Kill him.
Come here, you ghost.
Oh, Brad.
Gotcha, boom. Alright, we have 5
We got
seconds.
more time.
Go. I'm in a pool room.
Kill whatever's in there.
Mo! Come on, Mo! Alright, we clear the room. We gotta find ghosts. Which one go? I'm going here, but I don't know what.
I don't think
It's
there's anything in
time.
there.
Okay.
No!
Yes, good.
God, I mean.
Mr. M saving us.
Okay.
I'm trying.
Been here before.
Ow, I was hit by a cue ball.
Oh, right here. No.
Not a fake one.
Mr.
Right
Yes.
Yeah.
We did it. Okay, I think this towards this way. Can we open
Oh, I
this
slipped on a
door?
banana peel. Oh no.
Is this a
Oh
thing?
no.
No, we
No.
get over.
Someone get a clock. Luigi.
Oh,
Get out of there.
Where's the clock?
Oh, I found a treasure chest.
Again. We can do a
Oh.
lot
So much better.
And as
Yes,
M2
that was
said
so
before we were starting recording, he was like, "You guys need me to win this, don't you? Don't you?" Sure,
Don't
buddy.
worry, I know how to.
Do you want to restart or do you want to do this all over?
Oh, it's like random people.
Yeah, we need to get some.
We need some randos.
Rando Calrissian. What is it, Calrissian? I don't know how to say it. The guy from Star Wars.
You don't know who you talking about.
Is it Calrissian? I don't even know.
Chewbacca?
You know what?
Yeah, exactly, that guy. The hairy one.
Chewbacca?
Go on, do not. Okay, Mr. Make the room and we'll join.
Okay,
you.
this time
We'll
I'm gonna do well.
we'll do random. Wait, hold on. How do I change? Okay, join everyone, join! Okay, it's on, so we just gotta wait for the random people to join.
Come on, random people, join us.
Come on, all of you unwashed
out.
masses.
I think it's still recording. It's scary. It's fresh.
Yeah,
Good. Everything is good. Everything is awesome. Everything is good when your body is in.
exactly.
Everything is awesome! Can you live? What the heck?
Oh!
DT Ranch!
Oh.
Grants.
Boy, Kate!
We are set.
Those are some cool.
I
How
didn't
do
know
they
you could
do that?
change your heads or whatever you had.
That's a DLC.
Oh, money. What's that?
Cosmetics. I'll just beat Blue Luigi.
Yeah.
Call me Mr. General.
No, we call you Booger Boy.
Well, if I was yellow, that would be perfect.
You would be called the Pea Booger.
Okay, folks. Capture the ghost.
Okay, we got this.
That's too hard for me.
Ghosts.
Not in holes. Oh, a ghost.
I have found money!
Give me one of those. Give me one of those. I stole him! Hey, you can have
Hey. Oh, that's where we came from.
Oh, you.
Let's go in this door right here.
Oh, we've already got 5 ghosts down.
Yay, this guy took my kill!
I stole from someone. I feel kind of
Mo!
bad about it.
Mo!
Yeah!
Mo!
Teamwork! There's
Yeah.
one more in it.
Yeah,
Come
yeah.
here, come here.
Why not?
I got his butt. I got his butt. Grab the other one too. Yeah! Woo!
There we go. Alright, teamwork.
Okay,
Room
this
clear.
way.
Help!
You need.
This door won't let me go.
Oh,
I need a
this turn
machine.
captured.
Another ghost somewhere in here. But
Look,
there it
the
is.
spooky door! The spooky door! Woo! Thank you, goodness.
Over. Same closet.
Did someone help you? Good.
Yes, thank goodness.
Get him too. Get him. I'm gonna try to use my brain. Let's go this.
Alright, let's get
no,
out.
Good job.
This room. Oh, it hasn't been cleared.
Bathroom.
He's on the toilet! You cannot take the
Toilet
toilet break.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Give me one of them! Get him! Get him!
Alright, there we go. There we go.
Oh,
Oh, what? Nope. Okay.
I think I stole him.
Yeah, like.
There's 2 more!
Come on, you ghosts.
Oh, goodness!
How are they getting away?
There, I got this one. He's dead meat. Dead meat.
Dead meat. Oh, Mr. T from Rocky
Did we
3.
do it?
Yes. The room is cleared. Get us out of here.
Okay.
Alright, we just gotta get 2 more ghosts. This is so much better.
Is this a way?
Mr. M, you still there?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm focused.
Oh, hanging on.
I'm just focusing very hard.
I am. Get it, ghost. Yes. Oh, this guy almost took my kill. Yeah, baby.
Pop or
We're
something.
cool.
We did it. We did it. Yeah.
Oh! 2 more.
The D-Trance did pretty well by himself, though.
There you go. Yeah.
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 Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, next round. How many floors is this?
I think it's 5, right?
How many floors did you pick?
I hit random.
No, goodness, we could be here forever.
After the game!
Come on,
Don't hit the
everybody.
player. Hit the game.
Okay,
You
I got
blue
this one. I'm
booger.
on the rope.
You blue booger.
I'm killing a booger right
I
now.
am
That's
cleaning a
yellow.
closet. I am the janitor.
Okay. Get him up too. I stole him.
You
I'm
stole
sorry. You can steal him back.
Well, that's counterproductive right there. We're working on speed.
Let's go. Yeah, they're in there. Let's go up.
Hey.
Ooh, I found money.
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 Oh, he's dead. He's dead. We gotta save him.
D-Trance, go on with the garbage can.
Oh.
Okay, so
Just
what,
run.
we gotta
Just run.
shoot him?
Is he a ghost?
Yeah, it's definitely a ghost. Go.
Ah, ghost. Yeah.
Whoa. I had him, but now, oh, goodness. Oh, I'm almost dead.
Okay, I got him. I got this
Hey,
boat.
hey, yeah.
Oh. How you kill him now? I'm confused. Okay. Well, bam!
There it is. That guy's a freak.
He's
a freak of nature.
invincible. Oh, we're out on the roof. Okay, I don't think this is the roof.
And you rat.
No! There's 3 ghosts! There's 3 ghosts! Help! Think me, Buffy!
No!
We're far away.
Oh god, I might die!
Oh, Mr. M!
I might
We're
die!
awake. Come on. Okay, we're in the bathroom. Never mind.
I don't know!
I'm dead!
Okay,
I'm dead! I'm dead!
He's gone faded.
This is a bathroom.
I'm
You want to
dead!
quit going to the bathroom?
I have done the die.
I am looking at the map.
We need to see all those rooms that are.
Mr. Knight is trying to
there.
save me! This is a place to be murdered. I'm alive! Oh god! This is a nightmare! You stop stealing my kills!
Ah!
Oh, guys!
No!
I see what you got. It's crazy in here. Oh, goodness!
Yep, that's right. Get out of here.
I'm dead! Help me!
Oh, no!
Oh!
What just happened? Oh my gosh! The breaker switch should be around here somewhere. Help!
Oh!
You're alive.
There's still one guy. He's trying to wake someone up.
That's me. He's waking me up.
Don't wake up everyone! Come on, yeah! Someone help me, yeah! Someone help me, yeah! I'm running!
You have to tap A.
Okay.
Okay, alright, we're alive.
We had an extreme fainting. That's what they call the fainting. It was a historical event.
Yes! No! Yes! Yes!
Oh! This is crazy. Okay.
I can't even tell who I am anymore. Who am I?
You're the one with a green tank.
Yes!
Yeah!
Booyah, baby!
Woo! Gus.
You did.
Hot dang yeah, I did! Brother!
Watch the most. We were like, I'll save you, Mr. M. And then we run to a bathroom. Wait, I have to navigate us around? You don't want to... Don't switch characters on us right now.
You can do it.
I can if you want, really. What?
Do it.
You don't want to do it?
I don't want to be accused of getting us lost. I'm not good at driving. Oh, what's
okay,
this?
I will not accuse you of getting lost.
Find the toad.
Find the turd. Alright, I can do this.
Okay, this is find the turd.
Found one, his name's MQ.
Oh, it's toad. We found you. You're the turd.
You're the turd. Get over here, boy!
Save him!
Oh, the
that's
toad. Oh, I thought you meant actually find the turd.
Yeah,
Go to the bathroom.
That's exactly what I meant.
Okay, I got a toad.
Come here, you little shit.
Ah, ghost! Not again! No!
Bam! Boom! Bam! Boom!
Get up. Okay,
We got the toad, so
okay, we clear the road. Let's go this way.
we found him. What do we do with him? Oh, we gotta find
There's a
4 of them.
pet. There's a pet.
We gotta keep it as a pet.
Hey, we got our pet toad. That's good.
Okay, there's a guidance from
Is
there.
that toad in this closet? It's not.
I'm beating
Good
these
job.
ghosts! I am a ghostbuster!
Down this way.
Oh, there's a bunch of ghosts up in here.
I am fighting no ghost!
What?
Oh, I stole
You
them.
stole that? You
I'm
stole it
sorry,
again?
I'm such
What?
a thief.
I got this toad stuck. How do I shoot him?
Ah, yeah!
Oh,
Come here, you stinking ghost!
I am afraid no ghost.
on, ghost.
I am afraid none.
Get
back.
I'm afraid
Okay.
no ghost. Ah, no! More ghosts!
Is this
Okay.
working?
Look at this. Hold up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go through.
We lost our
there he
toad.
is. Oh, then let's go back to
Let's do this. Get on one side and I'll get on the other. We gotta pull this thing.
I don't think it's necessary.
Oh, stupid bananas!
We got a thing.
Is
What
it a
is that?
map?
I don't know.
Yeah, we got the toad.
With our
with
toad.
us.
Okay, he's coming with us. That's good.
Okay. Let's just do that. Get out of there. Kill him.
Come here, you go. Okay, well, you
I'm
get him out.
sorry.
He's always
I
out to
should
get
just
me.
leave it to you.
Item 1. Alright, good toad.
Yeah.
Anyone else found
Yeah.
the toad?
Yeah.
Oh.
I have cleared another room. Sorry.
Okay, alright, this is
here.
a big room.
There's some
no one
people
in it.
over there we could save.
Do you want to save
there's
them?
a toad in here. Guy back there. Should we help? Should I steal from him?
Yes.
Don't steal from
Is
him.
this
The
door
points
Good.
matter.
You thugs.
We left our toad in that room back there.
Well, this is not working.
Oh my gosh, there's so many toads.
There are. I've only ever
There's
seen
like
Oh, that's how it works.
three.
When that's what
There were like 3
Go with
toads.
Rob.
This guy has 3 toads.
What happened to our
The
toad?
time. Get the time thing. We left him in the
Oh,
last
Joe,
room.
don't
That
touch
other
the.
guy's got him.
Don't touch this.
Oh no.
We lost our toad. Well,
How many
that really
toads?
sucks.
Wait, how many toads do you guys have?
We had one.
Well, this
And
one guy has
lost.
like 4.
He stole mine.
When you basically left it with him.
Well, M1, you're lazy. Yes.
I didn't know I was gonna leave.
Heck yeah, brother.
Whatever. He has an outfit. He has permission to be good at this game.
He's wearing an apron.
They look angry. We look happy.
We have that attitude.
Yeah, we're happy-go-lucky.
Sure.
Yeah, the angry.
I've never played Find the Toad, though. I didn't know
Me
it was a
neither.
thing.
You know, that
I
old
didn't
family
know I-
game, Find the Turd. You can play it with your grandparents, with your elders, with your uncles. With
Extra money.
Oh, good.
Until
Money.
go in the basement first thing.
Go
I'll
in the
get
money. Go find the money. My camera's about to die. I need to save it. Hold on.
I have to find the money. Get all that money into.
Wouldn't leave him one.
Perfect.
All right. Money. Oh, okay.
Some money on the floor here. We just gotta get $6,000.
Good. Oh, goodness! Look at all that money just fell out of that town. That's nice.
Yeah, there's a lot of money here.
It's a lot of money. Money galore.
Everything was stuck off the shelf. Get your money. Oh, this is a good place. Maybe.
That croissant, it's moving on its own.
Croissant.
Get out. Get out of here. I just want the money. Give me that croissant. The cheese.
Don't forget the
Open
ham.
this box.
Don't forget the ham.
Coming to
The
open the box.
cheese and
Sorry.
the ham. Oh, it's glowing. It's glowing. This is a good night. I went the wrong way. Oh, it's Money Ghost.
Get up.
Come here. Okay, I got him.
Ma! Ah!
Come here.
I
Bear.
got that
Come
one.
here.
Yeah.
Chapow.
Alright, give us the gold
Doing
bars.
amazing.
Where's my...
Mr.
There we
You've
go.
gone quiet.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Break. Just concentrate.
Uh-oh, the
Okay,
wind
let's
is...
get out of this room at once. What's
I
that?
might
Wow,
lose
money.
internet.
Yeah.
Just to tell you all.
Oh no.
There might be a storm of brewing outside.
Storm of brewing. I can
Yes.
feel it in my aching bones.
Oh, I found some cheese.
We don't have $1,000. Okay.
Oh, hello.
Don't go out there.
Hello.
There's nothing near.
How dare you? Where'd you all go?
Is there any money in this suitcase?
Check it.
There's
Steal.
money in the couch. I'll take that.
A little bit of money. How do you launch stuff when you catch it?
Pray.
Or Y. Or A. Well, the other trigger button.
Okay, that was very helpful. I'm very confused now. And Y-A,
Okay,
the other trigger button.
Oh, this is a supply closet. I think they have lots of money in there.
Oh, this looks like a promising closet.
Give us the money! Does everyone have to get 6,000 or is it combined?
Oh, I hope
6,000?
not. I'll cry.
How much you got, Mr. M?
I have
Oh, Someone left.
Well, I don't really know. Also, look around for paintings. No! I'm being murdered! Help! 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 Help me, please! I'm being murdered! You guys just looked at me down the hallway. You guys go in the hallway, guys.
I'm coming.
Help me,
Look
please.
at the map. There he is.
How do you get him
Let
out?
me get out. Let me get back out of here.
Mr. M!
Yeah, wait.
Oh, you sucked it.
Oh,
I saved you there.
Save
You want to let me
Oh, I
die.
gave money. Hey, I was trying.
It's in this door.
Oh, I love these Falcons.
I found money. I found more money. You guys weren't looking good.
I got some money out of that baseball cap. Get away from my money, Mr.
Yeah,
M.
get out of here.
Oh, is this the locked door? I have a key.
Guys, you passed more money. I turned on a boo.
Open. Oh. You two didn't turn the boo on?
I turned on the one boot. Not the other
Yeah,
one.
you forgot
Oh,
about
Mr.
the
M, get in
other.
here. Let's go.
Hold on, I'm getting. I found a clock.
Whoa. Whoa.
Goodbye.
Whoa.
Goodbye.
Bam.
Bye. Bye. Okay, quick, pick up the money. Mr. M, you stole my thing. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna steal it back. Oh, yeah. I didn't see him.
Come here, you go.
Where's the boy? There it is. I got it.
Oh, I didn't get it.
Ah!
I'm dead.
I stole your ghost and I got money.
There you.
A bathroom.
Oh, quick, M2, go on the toilet.
Oh, you guys missed it. I found the buttload.
What? You did?
Money. Look at this money down there.
Where was it?
What else?
Our time thing too. I didn't
What?
want to leave us.
Okay.
I also did find a clock in the bathroom.
There it is. Oh, that's nice. Oh! Who left this cash laying around?
That probably was me.
Man, we have 3,000 bucks and we need 6,000.
Are we the only ones here? I think it's just us.
Oh.
What is all this stuck in the air?
That's just the
I
road.
think the other guys left.
There is a ghost, and I'm on the hunt.
Oh, they were like, oh, we ain't playing with them nowadays. Oh. This isn't a trap. Good, it wasn't a trap. Get the money!
Oh, we got a time too. We need that.
Oh, good.
Guys, there's a ghost with a clock. Let's find him.
How do you know he has a claw?
It says he has one on the
Oh, I see it.
You see it?
Yeah. There's a ghost in here too.
You need to find it
We gotta
now.
kill it. What's that? Oh, look, I found something.
There's that.
Trash? Does that trash have money in it? Where's the ghost? You in this suitcase? Yeah! 30
And when we
seconds.
are running low on time.
Okay, what do we do?
Will we make it? I don't know.
There's supposed to be a ghost in there.
This is where we started, isn't it?
No. There's the money in it. The money.
Happy birthday